This trick only takes 5 minutes, so no excuses. I don't know about you guys, but I have been feeling run down, ragged, tired, stressed, and just all around yucky. It's 1,000,000,000 degrees out. We have a ton of stuff going wrong at the house. None of those appliances that I got, I don't know if you saw my last video, you can check it out up here if you want. None of the installation went right for any of those. I was sitting here daydreaming and you know what I thought? Man, I could really use a spa day. But you know what I also don't have money for? A spa day. So I decided to put this little video together because this is a literal 5-minute self-care hack that you can do. All it takes is stuff that you already have in your house. I'm gonna do it. It's just a nice little treat for myself. It makes me feel really good. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Self-care is really important, right? We are working out hard. We're doing all this extra mental work to take care of our health and our bodies. And so giving ourselves a little treat every now and then shouldn't be a big deal. But a lot of times if you want to go out to get that treat, it tends to be really expensive. I don't know about you guys, but I am broke right now. This trick only takes 5 minutes, so no excuses. You have 5 minutes to do just a little something nice for yourself today. Do it. You probably already have the stuff to do it in your kitchen right this second. So why don't I show you this little treat that I give to myself every now and then? All right, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna need is 2 tablespoons of just any granulated sugar that you have around. I used regular granulated sugar. I think you could probably use any. You'll also want your favorite hand soap. I have this Dial Lemon and Sage that smells really, really nice. So just take a pump of soap. Oops, forgot to take my ring off. Pump of soap. And then let's pour in the sugar. Now that we've got our soap and sugar ready to go, we're just going to start scrubbing that into a paste on our hands. You want to make sure you scrub your hands really well, but don't be too hard. This is what the paste should look like. Go ahead and get in there really good, but be gentle. You can add a little water if the paste is too thick. And just scrub the tops of your hands, get in between your fingers really good. If you get a second, stop and take a smell of this because when you add the sugar to your soap, it just smells really, really pleasant. And then rinse it off. You only want to use cool water. I don't use hot water to do this. Cool water works fine. Just rinse until you've removed all of the paste. Then you're just going to gently dry your hands with a hand towel. Super simple. You can actually see how nice and smooth my hands came out, and they feel amazing. Now let's do a little lip treat. So we'll need just a little bit of sugar and then a gel moisturizer like Aquaphor or Vaseline would work as well. You could also use lip balm. So we're just going to take a little bit of our balm and we're going to go ahead and dip that right into the sugar like so, and you're just going to rub this paste on your lips. Try not to get it in your mouth. It won't hurt you, but I mean it's sugar and Aquaphor, so there you go. And just scrub that for a minute really, really gently, just as if you were putting on a lip gloss. Then take a tissue and just wipe it away. The nice thing is that Aquaphor is going to leave a little bit of moisture behind. Oh, I made a mess of myself. And there you have it. Super soft lips, and they feel very nice. I feel super refreshed now. My hands are baby soft, and so are my lips. Great way to finish this off would be with your favorite hand lotion and maybe either a chapstick or lip balm or even a lipstick. I hope you enjoyed this. If you try this, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this and you plan on trying it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out some of my other videos, I will link them over here. If this is your first time at my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and followed along on my weight loss journey. So until next time, I'll see you real soon.